this video we will discuss about molecular pathways of prolactinomas. So what is first we will discuss what is prolactinomas. Prolactinomas is a non-cancerous tumors that is usually occurred in the pituitary glands. In case of females, it might cause problems such as abnormal menstrual cycle, whereas in men it will cause problems such as less sexual desire and uh, less sexual desires. So let us understand what are the pathways that it will affect. So first we will understand the figure that is on the left side. So this is the dopamine type receptors. So when dopamine type receptors gets activated, what it will does is it will first inhibit this calcium intake within the cells, and after uh, sometimes it will initiate the potassium outward from the cells. These are the two things that are affected instantly whenever the dopamine type receptors get activated. And after that, what will happen is it will inhibit this function that goes to the endoplasmic reticulum, and finally it will suppress the PRL gene expression. Prolactin PRL gene expression is known as prolactin gene expression, which is responsible for normal functioning of prolactinoma. So after weeks, what happens is it will also inhibit this ATPase cycle, adenine cycle. So that is also producing the PRL, that is prolactin. And what will happen is that after some time, this D2 type receptors will also affect this signaling pathway, such as MAP kinase pathway and P13K AKT pathway. What it will does is it will inhibit the PRL receptors that are available in the extracellular matrix by with the help of phosphorylation of JAK2 and the help of phosphorylation of JAK2 pathway. So in this case, the overall impact of this pathway is that prolactin formation will get reduced, and the factors that promote prolactin formations will also be affected, such as these receptors get reduced, and this adenine cycle will also get inhibited after some time. This process might take uh, some weeks in order to get fully activated. So there is another crosstalk that might occur between estrogen and this phosphorylation pathway that is presented here in the figure on the right side. So what happens is that whenever this dopamine type receptors get activated, it will and when the estrogen is also present within the prolactin cells, what happens is that whenever the estrogen binds to the alpha ER and dopamine type receptors get activated, it will promote the prolactin formation. However, this dopamine type receptors, what it will cause the phosphorylation of JAK2 and MAP kinase with the help of MAP kinase. So what it will does is phosphorylation of alpha ERP. This thing will inhibit. This thing will prevent the prolactin formation when this alpha ER will get phosphorylated, prevent or inhibit the this PRLR formation, prolactin receptor formation. And at the same time, when so these are the crosstalk that happens. That is when the estrogen binds to the alpha ER, it will promote the uh, it will promote this PL. It does not affect this PRLR uh, autocrine secretion of this PRLR wherever. However, when this dopamine type receptors gets activated, it will give a signal through MAP kinase to phosphorylate JAK2 that will phosphorylate the alpha ERP, and that will inhibit the it will that will prevent the autocrine secretion of PRLR, and this MAP kinase will simultaneously inhibit the existing PRLR within the extracellular matrix. And the MAP kinase will do another function, that is, it will inhibit the gene transcription of the PRR, that is prolactin formation. And so this is the crosstalk that is happened whenever the estrogen is there and the dopamine type receptors get activated. So at one moment it promotes the PRLR, however when these dopamine type receptors get activated, this this we can say promotion, this alpha ER function will get inhibited by phosphorylation of the alpha ER, and at the same time existing PRLR will also get inhibited with the help of MAP kinase signaling. So this is how the molecular pathway changes whenever a person observes this prolactinomas problem. So that's all for this video. If you need to understand more about this molecular pathway in details, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. Thank you for your time.